A special lecture on managing stress in everyday life was organized by Department of Philosophy, Durgapur Government College. This event was organized under the IIC, or the Institution's Innovation Council, in collaboration with the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Durgapur Government College. And the special lecture was given by or conducted by Dr. Sumona Dotto, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology, Government General Degree College, Shingur. Now, the aim of this special lecture was to interact with students and to share a questionnaire on the basis of which a special psychological counseling session was also organized. The questionnaire was based on their usage of smartphones. The questionnaire involved their average age, their social economic status, their duration of smartphone use, their accessibility to internet, and the frequency of smartphone usage in a day. So these tests were involved to test or to make it clear that whether the students were suffering or are being under any depression, anxiety, or stress level because of their overusage of smartphones. The impact of long smartphone usage and constant connectivity or screen time was also addressed. There were means given to the students to detox their stress. It created, the expert talk created an awareness amongst the students, and it motivated the students towards mindful consumption, mindful awareness, and a sort of extreme social responsibility towards the next generation as such. Thank you.